Hey guys, what is up? It is Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It's Christmas Eve. All right, good morning, everyone. Merry Christmas. I don't think I'm doing a video tomorrow. And I honestly might not even put this up today. We'll see. But I am on my way to the bank first to put some money in the bank. But also I am heading to my sister's apartment so that we can do our gift exchange, which is really just she's setting my presents out on the porch, and I am gonna take that and set the presents for them out on their porch. And then today, this afternoon, we will all meet up on Zoom to open up our presents. And this year I actually feel like a child because I'm so freaking excited about opening my presents because I'm finally getting my stand mixer. You guys know, I think I said it on here, how a customer was amazing and gave me the money for Christmas to buy a stand mixer on Black Friday because they were on amazing sale on the KitchenAid mixers. And then when I got around to it, they were sold out, so I bought a Cuisinart one that was actually a lot cheaper. And then my sister messaged me and was like, dude, you've got to turn that in. You got to take that back. I'm like, I've been wanting one of these for years. What are you talking about? And she's like, Dad and Donna got you that for Christmas, or got you the KitchenAid one. It's like, oh. So I returned it, and that's actually how I got this cute sweater here, because when you go to Kohl's to return an Amazon purchase, they give you a 25% off coupon, and I got this thing for $11, and it's super cute and it's comfy. But yes, so I'm super excited, and my stepmom and dad came in yesterday for me to cut Donna's hair. And by the way, guys, you guys have asked a lot. She is doing well. She's feeling a lot better, and we're trying to figure out a way for her to get back on her channel, because she really, really wants to. I really, really want her to. You guys have mentioned several times how you miss her. And so we're going to try to figure out a way to do it that is, safe. Whether it be, I come over, I'm in a mask while she records, or whatever. We're going to figure that out. But either way, they came in yesterday for me to cut her hair, and it came out super cute. I should have taken a picture. And they also, gave me my present. So I've had this mixer in my hot little hands since yesterday, and I've been fighting the urge not to just open it. I was even contemplating, I'm like, can I say that the dog ripped the paper? So since it was opened, I decided to go ahead and use it anyway. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be a patient person and wait. I'm just very excited. I've wanted a stand mixer for so long, and I'm finally going to have one. I'm ecstatic. So first of all, if you guys, or whatever number I'm on, if you guys have any favorite things you like to make with the stand mixer, let me know. Comment down below. I know I want to make breads. I want to make rolls. I want to make pizza dough. I want to make pasta. That one's going to wait a while because I have to wait till I can get the pasta attachment. Maybe some cookies. I was actually watching a video before leaving on making meringue cookies, and I'm really curious if you can do that with a sugar substitute rather than regular sugar, because that's a lot of calories. But if you can make it with sugar substitute, then it's just egg whites and sugar substitute, whatever flavoring you add, that'd be amazing. So if you guys know, 1, let me know. 2, I'm going to be researching that. And 3, I'll probably do a video on it eventually. I know I have not been doing a lot of cooking videos lately, but things have been hectic and, money's been tight. So you guys don't want to watch me just, throw stuff in a pot and make soup. It's very delicious, but it's kind of boring video to watch, literally. But yeah, so I'm in a good mood. I'm excited for today. It is definitely not the usual Christmas, but this is one thing that humans are good at. We are good at adapting and finding solutions. It is not safe. It is not okay right now, to be having large gatherings, to exposing a bunch of people to the virus. But we can figure out how to do it. We can still, I mean, it's kind of exciting to go and basically play Santa, drop off presents, and then us getting on Zoom later and watching each other and chatting and stuff. And I think it's great because I do think people that don't live near their family, that can't necessarily afford to visit them that often, I think this is teaching people that you can just do it with Zoom. There are ways. It doesn't have to be, oh, well, I don't get to see them this year because I can't fly home. Well, you can get on Zoom. You can do it, Google Hangouts, whichever version. You can still do it in a way that makes it okay. I've known plenty of people that wanted to go to a wedding and they couldn't because, it was a destination wedding, or, it was just a friend or family member that doesn't live in the same city or state or whatever that they live in. And there have been so many weddings that some of my friends have done where they've had Zoom set up. I really think that's going to be a new installment, is having somebody doing Zoom or going live on Facebook even for the wedding. I think that's something that photographers and the like really should focus on, because I think that's going to be a really good opportunity. And that's one thing we can be grateful for with COVID. You know me, I like to find something positive out of every situation, something to learn out of every situation. And I definitely think we have learned to have some patience, learn to have some compassion and love each other a little bit more, appreciate those times that we can spend with each other. And technology, we have learned how easy it is to do Zoom and how easy it is to set that up. No, it's not the same. Of course, in person is 100 times better, but Zoom is 100 times better than not doing anything at all, right? I think so. So I'm excited. I have the right perspective. Also, side note, stepped on the scale this morning and I am down 0.4 pounds from yesterday. So as long as I keep on track, I'm set up for a loss this week, which is great. I've been utilizing some of the changes that I'm going to be making already, and I can see that they're already helping, which is fantastic. And overall, it's giving me better energy, putting me in a better mood and a better mindset with that. So that is fantastic. Like I said before, I felt like I was getting a little too complacent, a little too wishy-washy, and then a little not exact. Like, you guys know, I drink a lot of water, but I kind of stopped measuring exactly how much I was having, kind of stopped tracking exactly. I fill up my water, numerous times at work and at home, but I have no idea how many. So today, one thing is, granted, it's going to be a different color. I filled up one of these dudes with water, and it's got some Mio energy drops in it because I do want some caffeine today. But literally, I mean, you saw how light pink that was, and it's supposed to be like a cherry red. So it's not like I overfilled it by any means with the caffeinated drops, and then it's gonna be water after that. And that's a quart, so it's gonna be easier for me to measure exactly how much. I really want to get one of those gallon things. Somebody, I forgot who, I'll put it here but somebody had posted in my Facebook group how they got one of those gallon jugs, and where it has, markers, and it has times on it too, which I think is cool. Me, I would just want, something that's convenient to carry around a gallon rather than like walking around with like a milk jug or something like that, or walking around with a big whole pink lemonade container full of water. But I really think that would be helpful. And so little tiny things like that have been, I think, what my downfall was. Not that I went completely off the rails and that things went horrible, but as far as things not going as great as they could, was little tiny things like that, maybe not drinking as much water as I should, even though I know I'm drinking a lot. Maybe not, I know definitely not having enough protein was a huge one when I went back and looked, and like the grams of protein I had were ridiculously small. Basically, like 6 ounces of chicken a day. That's not enough, especially for somebody my size. All right, so I'm at the bank. So, well, that's going to be fun to edit because I paused recording and then I totally unpaused it by accident and was just recording me just making a deposit. That, I should leave it in. It'd be very entertaining footage. But I'm not going to. I'm going to cut it out. Anyway, I totally forgot where I was. So basically, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Have a Merry, Merry Christmas. Happy holiday. All of that. And I will talk to you guys probably Sunday for my weigh-in.